kids, welcome to the Kids Learning World. Today our topic is back to school. We have to share our routine. First, get up early from the bed early in the morning. You can get up for your school, and after getting up, you can brush your teeth. Yeah, you brush your teeth, brush your teeth, brush your teeth, round and round, up and down. After brushing, take your healthy breakfast, and after that, wear up your uniform and pick up your bag and properly wear it in a very beautiful way, and then tie up your shoes. Hey, I am ready for my school. Yuppie! Say goodbye to your parents. Bye-bye. Now my school bus is arriving and I am so much happy to go to school. Hello! I'm welcomed by my fellows, my teachers, and I am so much happy to attending my school after a long vacation. My friends are also wearing me, and now look at my classroom. These are our classrooms in which we learn, we write, and we really know how to learn right. In these classes, we will learn so much interesting things in a very beautiful way. Our teacher starts our day, and now they teach us how to learn our counting, our numbering, that is 1, 2, 3 and so on. So count at your fingers. 1, yes, fold your hand and open the one finger, that is 1. After that, open 2 fingers and fold the other 3, that is 2. After that, open 3 fingers, that is 3. Yes. After that, opening 4 your fingers, and that is 4. Next number is 5. Yes, next number is 5. What comes after 5? After 5, it will be 6. Open your 6 fingers and count. After that, count 7. Open your fingers and count it in number 7. Yes, here comes the turn of number 8. After 8, then 9 will come. Yes, here is the 9. And after that, open your both hands. 4 fingers, that is 8 fingers and 2 thumbs, and that number is 10. So, today we learn our counting, that is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you learn counting with us, and if you like our video, like it and subscribe our channel. Bye-bye.